Here's how you can fix Fortnite crashes on your PC. First, go to the search bar, type Epic Games, then right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. Next, open your Epic Games library and find Fortnite. Click on the 3 dots. In the corner of the game, then click on Manage. Now click on Verify next to Verify Files. This will check if all your game files are installed correctly, and if something is missing or corrupted, this step should fix it. If verifying doesn't solve the problem, here's what else you can do. Go to the folder where Fortnite is installed. Open it, then go to Fortnite Game, Binaries, Win64. Now look for a file called Easy Anti-Cheat EOS, then find Easy Anti-Cheat Setup. Right-click on it, select Run as Administrator, then click Repair Service. When it's done, click Finish. Still crashing? Try updating your graphics card drivers to the latest version, and if all else fails, uninstall Fortnite and reinstall it completely. That's it. If this helped fix your Fortnite crashes, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.